SYC. This is Kesri Samskriti of class 11 from Kendriya Vidyalaya 2, Uppal.
I'm Kirti Sri Nalpaneni, studying in class 9th from Narayana Group of Schools, DD Colony.
Our project title is AI Judge.
In this project, we are addressing the 16 Sustainable Development Goals by United Nations, that is peace, justice and strong institutions.
Problems at hand. Majority of the justice seekers are not satisfied by the delayed judgment. There are a large number of pending cases and also judgments are taking more time. Judgments are also biased and leading to approach higher courts for proper justice.
To improve the speed of trial and efficiency in judgment, we have introduced artificial intelligence technology in cases argumentation, arbitration and justice.
Our trial case involves investigation of murder, security breaking and kidnapping of crimes. One Cosmo acts as judge, other acts as John Fox and Barrows. In this trial case, artificial intelligence used 5 big ideas for finding solutions. Perception. Judge Cosmo finds the victims using his or her daily data, that is, navigation, recent calls, text and face reading. Representation and reasoning, wherein Judge Cosmo gives the judgment by analyzing previous cases' judgments and applicable sections of the law. Machine learning. AI model uses supervised learning in machine learning. Human AI interaction. Cosmo interacts with stakeholders of the case, that is, petitioner, defender, witnesses, police, etc. Assess the information like postmortem reports, GPS reports, CCTV records, recent calls, text messages, etc.
Social impact, negative impact, loss of certain jobs and chance of accelerated hacking to tamper the data. Positive impact, Cosmo collects accurate legal information faster than the humans and in a logical way. There will be no biased decisions. Judgment will be faster and there will be no bribes. Client will be satisfied with the fast judgment and quality of work. There will be well-being of attorney. Good morning, Chief Justice. I am Kirti and I represent the petitioner in this case. I'll argue on the point that the defender is accused. According to the evidences collected during investigation, it is clear that Mr. John Fox is accused according to the CCTV footage.
Good morning, Chief Justice. I am Samskriti. I represent the defender in this case. Today, I will argue on the point that John Fox is not accused. My opponent, how did you conclude that these footages belong to Mr. John Fox?
My worthy opponent, as you can see in the footage, 2 minutes 28 seconds, the accused has a tattoo on his right hand of his spade. You can find the same spade or tattoo on Mr. John Fox's right hand.
Many people can have the same tattoo.
According to the investigation, we found that Mr. John Fox was the only person who is having the same tattoo in that location.
Mr. John Fox, do you have anything to convey? No, Your Honor. You are getting frequent calls and texts from 2 numbers. Do they have any connection with the case? Yes, my lord, they are connected with the case.
Mr. John Fox, can you please prove it?
Anthony kidnapped John Percent U 2019 as family, and he threatened John to kill Mr. Barrow and steal his company's financial security system by using navigation, recent calls, and text messages. CCTV footage, face reading evidences collected in the crime spot.
In this case, AI follows supervised learning model of machine learning.
In supervised learning, learning is guided by a teacher. It has a database which acts as a teacher and its role is to train the model or the machine. Once the model gets trained, it can start making prediction or decision then. Spam classifiers in email is an example of supervised learning.
India now has almost 4 crore, that is 40 million cases spanning the Supreme Court, various high courts, and the numerous district and subordinate courts. Using AI, they can be solved fast to facilitate timely justice, as delayed justice is injustice.
Ethics in AI is very important. Privacy and security of data should be maintained 100%. Information collected from various sources should be used only for solving the legal cases and shall not be used for any other purposes.
Agreed. That's why we suggested AI to follow supervised learning model, where it will refer to the previous judgments given by the humans in similar cases.